Today's video is gonna be on me reorganizing my desk and my stuff over here that I do my projects with. So yeah, if you want to keep watching this video and see how I reorganize everything, just keep watching. So my desk looks like this right now. My vanity, whatever you want to call this. I don't know what it is. This, and then over here, this is how this looks. It's my cart where I keep like all my things that I do my projects with. So yeah, I'm gonna be including these containers in there. I got these at the Dollar Tree the other day. So I'll be using those to organize this with. I'm not sure if I'll put them in here or in here, but just keep watching. So now it's time to do this. So I will be showing you guys how it ended up after. So it's not bad. So this is all how it all ended up. See that? It's all organized in their compartments. And then this is too. I have all my acrylics here, paintbrushes and tools, strings, paper there. I have all my markers there, Sharpies over there, glue stuff here. These are like moldings and tape and glue, or no, Mod Podge, sorry. And then this is like little tools that I have over here. And then these are all my like resin materials. And then over. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.